All right, YouTube, back with another video. Today we're working on a 79 Monte Carlo. This body style is really iconic to the movie of Training Day with Denzel Washington. And yeah, so I'm gonna let y'all check it out a little bit right quick. Yep, so y'all can get an idea of what, how the body of the car look. This is the hood right here. So what we're doing, we're just swapping engines out from one car to another car. So this engine right here runs and drives is good. It's another car that the guy got that he wanted to take that motor out that's kind of souped up and put it in here. And it's a small block. I think it's a 400 or 350 or something like that. So that's all we're gonna do. But for further ado, let's go ahead and get into it, and thanks for tuning in. All right, YouTube, I'm back. So I went ahead and got the top end did, and my oldest brother, he got the bottom end did. He did the drive shaft, cross member, and I think that's about it. It ain't too much down there you have to do as far as taking the motor and trans out. I'm gonna leave the manifolds hooked up, transmission lines and just radiator hose, leave that up, hooked up. And yeah, cut the distributor out, carburetor off. And yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and get it pushed out. I'm gonna push it out the shop, and then we're gonna use our engine horse to take the motor and trans out on the outside. Till then, I'll just turn it back on.
All right, Wayne, push the car back. Unless you wanna
Push the car back?
push the car back. I'm trying to hold the transmission up so it won't hit the front. Push it back fast. Pull down, Tyrese. Push, Wayne. Push, Wayne. Oh, there we go. Now we clear.
Hey,
Nah, you don't completely taught you something.
I thought you saw.
Hey, Wayne.
I thought you saw.
You gotta make sure you do it the same way.
We got it
He
though.
alright, man. I got him straight.
You got it.
He good, Zena. I make sure he alright.
All right, YouTube. So we got it on the little stand me and my uncle built. He trying to claim like he made it happen, but nah, he gave it to me.
Somebody's
Oh yeah, it's a 350. It is. You ran the numbers on it. Okay, that's a 350 then.
Somebody treasure.
But this little contraption right here, it's like a little trailer. I put some lawnmower tires on it, and that's pretty much it. But we got the motor out, got the car over there, and yeah. So we're gonna close it off with this. Y'all like, share, subscribe.
Hey, show the motor pull out.
Oh, he look. He want to show his little what contraption invention.
Yeah, my invention.
But all this is basically an engine horse on a trailer. And he got it one day, and you might as well say it's an engine horse.
Brave, man.